Let's not waste time. If you're watching this, chances are you're ambitious. You want to do better, not just work harder. And in a world where AI is rewriting the rules of productivity, visibility, and skill, that ambition needs direction. So here's the question we're answering today. How do you get ahead of 99% of people in the AI age? Let's begin. Stop competing where everyone's already playing. AI has leveled the field, but not in the way most people think. Yes, it's made knowledge more accessible. It's made execution faster, but it's also flooded the market with mediocrity at scale. Think about it. Everyone's churning out content. Everyone's learning the same tools. Everyone's updating their resumes with prompt engineering and AI-powered analysis. But very few are doing what really matters. Learning how to think clearly and position themselves strategically. In a world where everyone is speeding up, the advantage goes to the one who knows where to go, not just how fast. Learn how to learn. The AI age doesn't reward the most knowledgeable, it rewards the most adaptive. You don't need 5 new degrees, you need 5 core abilities. Learn a tool before you feel ready. Drop it when it's no longer useful. Identify signal in a sea of noise. Ask better questions than what Google can answer. And finally, know when to stop learning and start applying. Because those who only consume stay consumers. Those who apply become leaders. Build a personal monopoly. This is where most people get it wrong. They think they need to be the best at everything. Wrong. You need to be known for something. One thing. Something you do better, deeper, or more originally than most. In the age of AI, the race isn't about being faster, it's about being irreplaceable. And the only thing AI cannot replicate at scale, it is your perspective. So, package that. Your voice, your synthesis, your frameworks, your method of solving problems. You're not just a writer, marketer, or consultant. You're a lens. Build a personal monopoly. One where when people think of a specific problem, they think of you. Master power tools, not just popular ones. Everyone is learning Canva, you learn Figma. Everyone is writing blog posts, you build email funnels. Everyone is playing with ChatGPT, you create SOPs, prompts, and IP from it. Don't follow tool trends, follow utility. Every tool you learn should move one of 3 needles: visibility, income, efficiency. If it doesn't serve one of those goals, it's noise. Learn the tools that build leverage, not just productivity. Document, share, teach. Show your frameworks. Share your thinking. Publish your process. It does 2 things. 1, it turns your learning into assets. 2, it turns strangers into followers, and followers into future clients, partners, or advocates. This is not vanity. It's visibility with value. Audit your digital identity. Ask yourself this. If someone Googles your name today, what do they find? Is it intentional or is it accidental? In the AI era, you are what the internet says you are. And if you're invisible online, you're leaving opportunity on the table. Daily. So fix it. Your LinkedIn bio should not read like a job description. It should read like a positioning statement. Your website should not be a brochure. It should be a conversion machine. And your content, it should reflect clarity, not chaos. Because when opportunity knocks, the first thing it checks is your digital presence. Treat your mind like a product. This is the shift that most people never make. They think their time is their value. It isn't. It's their thinking. In a world where AI can write, design, and edit faster than you ever will, the only thing left to monetize is your ideas, your frameworks, your decision-making clarity. So treat your mind like a product. Turn it into templates, tools, or systems. License it, sell it, teach it. Because when you productize your clarity, you stop trading hours and start building assets. This isn't about hustle. This isn't about working harder than everyone else. This is about working smarter and showing up sharper. Because in the AI age, the winners won't be the busiest. They'll be the clearest. The most decisive, the ones who can filter the noise, position themselves with precision, and build systems around their mind. You don't need a decade. You need 6 to 12 months of structured clarity, public consistency, and strategic action. That's how you get ahead of 99% of people. That's how you become the person others reference while they're still figuring it out. Thank you for watching. I hope you found value in this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Additionally, liking this video will help amplify the reach of my work. I will see you in the next one.
Find your unique value, let it free. Stand tall, rise up, be who you wanna be. Your story matters, sing it loud and clear. You got that spark, ignite it without fear.